Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with Cordial Cruises Part 2. And if you haven't watched Part 1 yet, what are you waiting for? Go check it out right now because in that video, I have explained the complete itinerary, budget details, how to book your cruise, plus a room tour and a quick look at a few beautiful decks around. But in this video, we are going even further, exploring more decks, fun onboard activities and of course the amazing sail from Mumbai to Goa. So sit back, relax and let the adventure begin. As you know, I was eagerly waiting for the ship to sail, and finally, what I noticed is the ship started moving. Our journey had officially begun. फिर क्या मैं सीधा भाग के बाहर गई to enjoy the view and trust me there were tiny boats and ships everywhere and I was honestly so fascinated, couldn't take my eyes off. And then I saw these beautiful ladies started dancing and that's when our sail away party began. Music, lights, people cheering, पूरा vibe ही अलग था. And I also danced after such a long time and that too right in front. Felt so alive. Definitely this is my highlight of the day. And before I even realized, it was already the sunset time. Look at this beautiful view. Like I ran straight to deck 11 to enjoy this golden sky, sea breeze, music in the background. It was honestly so magical. After that, I went back to my room, got changed and just look at these aesthetic corridors. Then I went straight to the Marquee Theatre at deck 5. This theatre also has balcony seats and it was first come first service based, so make sure to reach early and I was here for the Indian cinematic show.
Market Theatre. Now, I have a question for you. Today is the first day of your cruise and many of you are for the first time here. Are you excited?
तो ये वाला शो बहुत ही enjoyable था, like different states के हमने dance form देखे, so it was really good. After the show, I went straight to the most aesthetic part of the ship, which was the lobby at deck 5. And this is the guest service area where you can ask for any help or information. बस ऐसे घूमते घूमते dinner का time भी हो गया, so I went straight to the food court at deck 10. You will find so many options here like Indian food, pasta, salad, dessert, सब कुछ. The vibe at this food court was super lively, like you will find people chatting and enjoying the food together. So after dinner, I went straight to the pool bar and guess what? They have unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And just look at this. Kids were dancing, people were vibing and those waves and lights, the night felt unreal. तो बस इसी के साथ मैंने सोचा कि डे 1 को एंड करते हैं विद अ म्यूजिकल नाइट और उसके बाद I changed into my comfy wear and grabbed some midnight snacks and explored the ship one last time for the night. And just like that, day 1 came to an end and with it my birthday celebration too.
The next day.
Next morning started right in the middle of the Arabian Sea. Woke up to the clear blue water and beautiful sunshine. So I had my breakfast and went straight to the deck 11. I just sat there quietly enjoying the peace and that endless ocean view. बस क्या फिर थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर किया. And this is the rock climbing area. यहाँ पे सिर्फ specific timings पे ही open रहता है. And ऐसे explore करते करते I went near the lobby and there was some time zones and game zones for kids and also some fun activities there. So bas I went to Starlight Restaurant at deck 5 for the lunch and food again was amazing, like different menu is given every day.
A few moments later.
Let me
शो यू समथिंग. मैं रूम से बाहर गई थी फॉर लंच और क्लीनिंग वाले आए थे एंड दे मेड सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग हियर. तो बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है. सी
And then comes the most awaited show, the Balle Balle show. तो copyright issues की वजह से I was unable to post the whole video. But this performance was crazy. Like it felt like watching a Bollywood wedding live on stage. Like dance, music, drama, emotion, सब कुछ एकदम perfect mix था. So after watching this amazing show, I went straight to the Starlight restaurant to have a dinner.
Later that same evening.
इवनिंग टाइम का वाइब भी अलग था. लाइक सिंस इट वाज नवरात्रि, सो गरबा नाइट चल रहा था. सब लोग डेक पे डांस कर रहे थे विद फुल एनर्जी. सच अ होलसम एंड फेस्टिव नाइट इट वाज. So ये मेरा लास्ट नाइट था इस क्रूज पे. ऑनेस्टली इट वाज सच एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. विदाउट इंटरनेट और वाईफाई, बस मैं, म्यूजिक और सी ब्रीज. नो फोन डिस्ट्रैक्शन, नो स्ट्रेस, सिर्फ प्योर रिलैक्सेशन एंड हैप्पीनेस इट वाज. तो बस इसी के साथ डे 2 comes to an end.
The next day.
Good morning people, it's day 3 and सुबह के 5:45 बज गए and it was the last day and didn't want to waste even a single minute. So went for the breakfast and it was peaceful and empty, just how I like it. While having sausages and coffee, I saw the sunrise. And what I saw is, we finally reached Goa. Ship docked at Goa's port around 7 a.m. and we smoothly off-boarded. And of course took some last shots of the ship. This entire cruise was truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience for me. If you ever get the chance, definitely try it once. It made my birthday so special. So इसी के साथ हमारा कॉर्डिलिया का सफर खत्म होता है. But guys, the trip isn't over yet. गोवा भी बाकी है. So stay tuned for the next part and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.